Hello friends, welcome to video 3 of e-learning or remote learning, how to sign in to Khan Academy, which is what we're going to use for math during our time apart. So the first step is to follow the directions that I sent home and go to www.khan, Academy, no space.org. And when you get there, there's going to be a lot of things going on the screen. This is a free website for anybody to make an account. So if you wanted to make an account later for another child or even for yourself, because there are lots of things you can learn on here, you can do so, but not for this application because I need you guys to be logged into my account so I can push out information to you and see what your child is doing. So for this application, I need you to click on log in. So click on log in. Do not sign up. I already signed up for you. And where it says email or username, go ahead and put that username in that I sent home in the packet. And if you did not make it to school to get the packet, please reach out to me on Dojo or email, and I will send you your child's code. I apologize for the usernames. I could not generate them on my own with such short notice, so they're kind of hard for a kindergartner to remember. The passwords are capital T in Truesdale, my name, and a random number that I also did not get to pick. And then log in. And when you get in, the items that I have released for my class should pop up. There's early math. Some of you might have two, early math and kindergarten math. When you click on there, there's counting. If you get started on the lessons that I am asking you to do and you feel like that's too hard for your child, I put counting up here in case you need to go back. But what I'm wanting you guys to work through is addition and subtraction, because this is the unit that we are actually on in school. So just want to keep momentum going so we don't lose any traction. So click on addition and subtraction, and when you do so, they will have videos, and the videos are a starting place for you so that you can see what the expectation is, but please feel free to extend these videos and question your child to see if they really understand what the content of the video. I really wanted these videos so that you can see what it is that we're expecting for the child to understand. So I'll just click on one of the videos while we're here.
2 and 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1. What is, so let me put that. So do this as I have two objects.
After they get done with addition, they'll move
Now,
right on to
I am going
subtraction and what that idea
So
is.
let's say that I want to figure
Walks them through. So they could watch these videos on their own. And then later on, you can see what they know and what they actually got from it.
do it right over here, actually. What I want to do in this video is think about the different.
And then they're going to do making 5, the different ways to make 5. This is going back to that automaticity that we talked about a few weeks ago, trying to get them to understand how to make 5 no matter what number they start with. And then they'll be able to take the quiz. Please allow your child to take the quiz on their own. I mean, if they need help with the interface or with how to select the answer, that's fine. But let them select the answers that they think so that I can really see who's understanding and who's not. I'm not going to take the quiz, but I just want to let you see how it works. And then you could go back and, if they fail the quiz, and reiterate some of the things that they didn't understand. And I'll be watching out too and reaching out and seeing how the kids are doing. So this will just take you through the whole unit. There's many, many parts to this unit and many quizzes, and it'll just keep going on and on and on until we go back to school. So after you've watched this tutorial, if you have any questions, please reach out to me on Dojo or email, and we'll talk to you soon.